that my dog was dead. And from around the corner I could already see the body stretched out with a bruise on the front. I cried loudly and didn't even want to look. When I was free, my dog didn't bite. Already adopted, he escaped and caused terror. Palo Pelado warned my brother, if he bites anyone else, I'll put an end to him. Black Dick, you were left in the dust. It tore my chest to pieces.